Hi, I'm Molly from the Inside Voice, and today we're going to talk about how to sing higher. The perception of pitch is created by frequency of vibration. If we're talking strings, the faster the string vibrates, the higher the pitch will sound. Now, our voices are incredibly complex instruments, and unlike violin strings, which are relatively simple, there are many factors in raising the pitch of the human voice. First, we need to understand that thinner objects will have an easier time vibrating faster. If you take this TheraBand and stretch it out, it'll vibrate faster than if you keep it slack. In terms of the voice, this means you're going to have an easier time with high notes if you thin out your vocal folds, what you might perceive as just lightening up. If you carry all that weight of your speech too high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, at a certain point, it's going to get challenging. Now, if you don't carry that weight up and just let your voice lighten up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it'll be a lot easier. Go ahead and just do a tiny NG sound, and siren up and down your range. Keep it small like a puppy dog cry. Your turn. Another principle to keep in mind when going higher is that you're going to need a very specific amount of airflow. Too much of an exhalation and your vocal folds won't be able to close and sound won't come out. Too little of one and you won't build up enough pressure under your vocal folds to cause the fast vibration. To feel how much air you need, semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, ones where your mouth is partially or completely closed, are great. Chances are you don't need as much air as you think. Try going back to that siren, this time using a lip trill. If that isn't working for you, put your mouth around a straw and give it a shot. Both of these things, along with the NG sound we used earlier, will help you manage your airstream. Remember, vocal ranges aren't built overnight, so give yourself plenty of time and never push yourself through something that's hurting your throat. For the full video on singing higher with some targeted vocal exercises, check out our website and sign up for a trial. See you soon!